Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Last week I posted a video that if you are using Google Drive, according to Google, you're limited to a total of 5 million total created items in your Google Drive account pertaining to that individual account, even if you have extra storage left over. So even if you have storage left over, it doesn't matter what plan you are using, if you have more than 5 million files in your Google Drive, you will no longer be able to upload or create any more items. Now, I'll leave a link to that video in the description, but just a quick recap. This was according to a user calling themselves RA13 over on Reddit, where they found around about February of this year that Google had applied a limit to the total number of files that they could store in their Google Drive, because they had somewhere in the vicinity of 7 million total items in their Google Drive, and found that they weren't allowed to upload or create any more items, and they were actually below the storage limit, but found that Google had actually placed this limit and this cap of 5 million files in Google Drive. Now, obviously, this caused a bit of debate and controversy, and because of the so-called debate around this topic, Google has done a so-called 180 on that 5 million file limit, and has recently tweeted over on Twitter, and I'm quoting this: "We recently rolled out a system update to Drive item limits to preserve stability and optimize performance." Now, that was the original reason Google had mentioned that they put the 5 million file limit in place to optimize stability and performance. They carry on to say, "While this impacted only a small number of people, we are rolling back this change as we explore alternate approaches to ensure a great experience for all." So, if you did find that you were one of those small subset of users, and for whatever reason you had more than 5 million items, that limit, according to that tweet, now has been lifted, and you'll be able to upload more and create more items as normal. And at this stage, though, this is the change that Google has put in place for the time being. It's not known if this will be a permanent change, but if anything, obviously does change accordingly, and they place another limit in Google Drive, I will obviously post and let you know. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.